Hey all, Dr. Campbell here. Okay, so after listening to that voice thread, I wanted to go on and post this to show you guys where this assignment is, just in case there's any confusion. Okay, we're going to go into the course from your dashboard. You're going to go under the Assignments tab. I have moved the essay piece to the top here, and this is what is due. So I've changed the due date, and I will update these due dates shortly when I get back to you guys by Sunday in terms of changing things around a bit, just giving you more time. And then I will change the dates on here accordingly to help you guys keep track of the due dates. But if you have not already done so, or think what you've turned in thus far needs to be updated, you can visit this assignment. Again, if you have not done it, please listen to this and submit. So there were 12 submissions. We have 24 people in this class. Half of you did not do it. This is worth a fair amount of your grade, you guys. So if you don't turn in the beginning, this is 25% of your grade. So if you don't complete these parts, the best you can get is a C in this class. So that said, let me know if you have any questions. Again, under the Assignments tab, I have moved all of the essay pieces to the top. For ease, this will be due in a couple weeks. But again, this is going to change. Stay tuned for that. Let me know if you have any questions.